kan ina ne OTPP kwame plus wo fro kada what you say uba no kura de ni dua ni hokura ompe ana wafo kada moto no me de se ni amehunu se ba akofo tena so a o na echinchim ana moto no body ni hu wa nipa na wote so no ne body no enti no onipa na fa watena to na sebita frache obange a wabange so obange follow no banko hunu ye pe na asemaba o kada fo yi tu moto fi odu traffic light ohwe ha ne ha sa so radio sa so de enyo the fact say o hu se ka bi etwam na o de etwam na okọ yenyi no firi ho ofuru kada almost start ye na de bi o mu kura helmet spare helmet o tna to ane de ama wa hye say your size o say
abi o na Osman Sabra some no kan mi hu ni na mi hu ni asan o kan ne sen
asama American ne say okada no de enya de esi legalize no na ye ka say we adwuma for me
we at the ask Mr. Brown say okada make we no legalize am e dey nti na me legalize okada
dey nti e dey see legalize no na say ye legalize no na say
asan o ka wa confused
e too risky
risky
very risky
Sisiano
so many measures
meba Sisiano ne e wo say mo ma ne ye clear ne say mo ina mo
no legalize okada
Sisiano o mpese mo be legalize ono se mo pese mo legalize nti mo manye nti ase emu ne hin ne de hin na de ha
jama wo so jama wo ye papa nipa no se ono de on gintum se ye legalize okada
adenti na on gintum
bizana na me o bisa me
adenti na on gintum
man na me cheche mo okada you fa okada pro ya one edu traffic light ya MPC bejina MPC bedi mraso because ono na penta number 2 what na to no amoko no kra obi oti okada to bia no traffic no bezo obiti what you say na moto ni nam ka tem na moto ni nam ka obi bie ne ka proper trouble asi yemfa no nkoto nchen almost start ye no mu kra spare helmet say obi fa moto no a near the amount na wo de ebo awuti so de amije o ti ase sa helmet ne say your size we so de by force so share ne sa size no nkoda nche helmet no asumasi bi share ya osi form an ye de ma wo so se fa shebuti se bibi wo asumasi kro ni tri ho se ye yare o se ye de ade o so de ashewuti what you say eno ye another problem
Mr. Brown, you do to look at. Now, go down hotel. I would
go down hotel. Go back to him. But hotel. So be down.
Me, but the talk matter. At the talk matter.
Yes, me too. At the talk matter.
It also cause our car and we see helmet na yen spray more.
O see helmet na yen.
Who's the one? Ni for obession no yen spray helmet.
Mr. Brown. Oh yeah, ira nkomo no.
Ira nkomo. Some now can me allow him to say whatever he wants to say. The issue is that we see me legalize okada adentia obi si form a na oyi helmet na obi so ba no ahye na me so simple question say o ko hotel a wo do be sheet ko
o fa be sheet nko nso ubu ku dan ne pe ye be yi de obi aba be da so
it adenti na yen mra so say
ye be yi de obi ada so na free so near the fofo ya ho
adenti na yen mra ne say
me ba ho na ma be kan ho asem me ba ho na ma be kan ho
epa odi abutre mani cheche ne nsem
obi sha obi tremu o de helmet she ni ti no me yen legal wo track am
ho ne de ento asuem
o fa seat belt nko ba seat belt
show wo ko ba atre na wo di no wo de watre
enunti ne
wo restaurant wo watre
enunti ne ho
asa asem ya wo kan no asa wo kan e bia nyansa wo
ama me kan ko
si me to me bo asem na kan nyansa
anti ma ko mo
na be na wan kan nyansa
me kan nyansa se ba na me ka ya kan se moto akrofo trenchre edihwi akram. You can never equate the risk involved in traveling on a motorbike to that in a car.
When I also your moderator. So Sadia, as some young kind of one by one. The problem with Okada and say ekunipa. Is that right?
Omu nimraso.
Nyabutre. Omu nimraso. Ekunipa.
Yes.
And a damn you. helmet nkrofo be share the same helmet to benya coronavirus.
Nkrofo share the same helmet which is not healthy.
Into health issues. And where is it?
Yes, health issues. Number 4. Eya akoye se adwuma na eni kuro we mu nti na nkrofo yo ka.
The person bisa papa we one question.
Yes.
The person bisa one question. Dano nipa na wosma no mane koje ade wo kanto mane bra wo. No the wheelbarrow na koya na so the okada.
Yes, ono a dispatch rider. Me shase se me kasa.
Na dispatch me ba
mu one by one. Onye dispatch rider bia.
Okada bia moto bia
what onye dispatch rider. Dispatch dey what ade dispatch here. Wo patch so delivery guy.
Delivery guy.
After na wo kasa me 2 mira na ma chirisi.
Matie. Okay, delivery guy. Thank you for my correction.
Okada ye den. Okada ye den. Eye moto na nipa de transfer de friend Okada no. Anase adwuma na nipa de moto no ye na friend Okada no. Anase wo fa obi tran wechi ya na friend Okada. Okada ye den.
Eye say moto no na ye deliver. Ye ka say Okada na kire say eye moto a nipa de afa nipa ye den.
Enti na na wo pese ye de ade komo bi o ministry so ye mfro Okada no meje envelope no ko. Envelope na eye nipa be
tell me ye din a beto ho a obi a use.
Enti no
the correct thing ne say so obefa pass wa deliver.
Mr. Brown enti no say na some wo also wo can say moto a ye de ye passenger ye de fa nipa chenche no wo mpene so. Kono meba ho
ba so na ye friend Okada sese.
Oh la
eno na ye friend Okada.
Enti wo patch so omo mfa nipa chenche ri pen jump wo say wo problem with Okada ne say one omudu red light omu ngina. Enti so o amfa passenger de odu red light o gina.
One for passenger would do red light to beat me a tram, but I know you're on one cassa. I know you're on one cassa. The risk is totally different.
Siciano.
The risk is totally different.
Mr. Brown. Plus.
One who control, who try red light. It is a car power, a decision who make it. But on for passenger and Trawachi. Now who make his decision and say we do red light and meet them.
Siciano, Mr. Brown.
Yeah.
Make your point no clear.
Me point no clear.
Me patch o kasa nyabotra man nkasa nwe owi a wo so raise.
Clear same be na.
Siciano.
But raise the risk issue.
Risk no dia hin na wo kan ye.
Risk no dia me kan ye no. Eye unruliness no. Odu red light no atwam. Oda ne nam ka ntem. Se wate ase. Obi a obetwi Okada.
Okada no confirm for
you.
Eye ka ntem no de.
Me say obi otwi Okada no. Ye fa ne say on the normal virtue no or you be a wenyini na dwumu da ho he's more than 18 years say ononko obi nko ati moto so no o decide so obe take his decisions na no it's a different thing but say wo fa passenger tran wachi na wo take his decisions no
18 be obehunya saka red light
include no say na say wa no na de be kan na wo twi Ultimate catch that driver and so on to no but so beto no bono ye ono ankasa eje wo na obekwa akotia break amasa driver.
Okay Mr. Brown am say wakasa bebre to the aha no obegina na yentie ono so ne de wie
risk involved no my boss
wo boss sensan boss bi
me boss unruliness omun dimraso eno wo ho my raising health issues of helmet eno wo ho you can say the fact say enye say oman ye disi ani so say eno eye adwuma potin yes ye no eno so maka ho asem nti do work
okay Mr. A plus I'm say Mr. Brown raise ni issues on per se Okada no omo be legalize wo Ghana ha
so you kwam se paka so asa di para kasa fe na wo be chechi aso kan nyansa be na wo mja be yes ka chere sa aso kan nyansa
ono ne die nyabo ono ne die no wo so wo die ne sen
wo die no ye nyansa no kam
wo die ne sen
number 1
dia me say kan wa se mo nya dia me kan
na kan menka
o dia wo so Okada ne ye ma enti chire die enti ye ma e dia me kan ye na wo be yi anu wo wa wasem ha wo de na
obejai mama kan asem na
me say wo wa wasem ha wo de na
so mama kan asem ade
enti nya me de na o se de ye mfa kan asem
Okada ekunipa omu ndim raso ende Ghana yenya abatwe yesi wo koto aba kofie ebo 5 abrani yankan so ye beto we na nkofo gina wo kontokwa enti se nipa samra na omudi so enti se ye mraso na ye ndidi a ende yenya abatwe because wo koto aba nkofo okun abatwe so ya kan se mo mbudi anko omo obi anye double registration nkofo ndi so mo ye double registration obi o person oto aba ni tu Nti say yemra so no Okada phone din ti na me and legalize Okada dia. E dey yintwa about to kran ko phone nim emra no so. Ghana hamra nipa di so ye ba akopɛ oba nko be ma toilet be ma nko oba toilet. Eno kra wo bo a wotubi bu sa hamra no so. Omo wo ye pɛ. Eno kra wo bo a wo bu so obi enim se wabo.
Enti Okada
masa nya abotre. Wontumi nka nkyerɛ me sɛ Okada ku nipa. Ethiopia Airline kwatehwe last year nipa ahe wu ye no. Na yi Okada na nam wiem na aeroplane. Nti yentwa aeroplane because nipa wu. Yet Ghana ha na bus konya accident working tampo nipa 70 na wu.
Moderator nti uzo hwere ma na kasa ansem.
Nyabotre mani kasa. Nyabotre. Dabi nyabotre
aviation accident.
Meba tiabotre. Em say tiabotre o raising the point. Onu raising
it do the plane motorbike accident.
Dabi
nyabotre. Onu raising
you know the problem. Wait, you know the problem this guy.
Dabi.
This is my example be too practical.
It not be too practical.
Examples now o say o kasa no. Say asemi wo na say o kan say ntwemu ye a obem.
Yes.
It is ono so kan say ntwe ye a. Baby a entwa ye no.
I say metimi bem.
I was say who to
I say metimi bem because I don't know to me tra. E ka say aeroplane tehwe mo wonti say motor su de nipa hwekwa. Na che say you are not abreast with fatalities of accidents in the different spectrums. Accidents are motonya. O de ko compare aeroplane.
Who statistics ben na.
O de ko compare aeroplane.
Who start
I say o de car compare aeroplane.
Sisi ano.
Me person provide me data on no e kire say Ghana ha nipa ewu nyina moto na ku omo aso kan coronavirus asem ibi
Mr. Asayobe onu we raising the four key points into no usu defend the 4 key points na onu
me point no onu kan asem o say legalize into the legalize
oni sentia one person mo be legalize eno na wa into nia wo so one person mo be legalize wo so kan comment na abane ebi Mr. Mubarak Mohammed A+ you do all. Your comment makes sense.
Oh yeah, somebody be kind of thing.
Oh Ghana for.
Oh no, where Ghana for?
Your comment makes sense. Now I question Shaggy O'Neil. What should you say? Mr. Brown, you are making sense here. A+, keep quiet. Onyame bakremo. Okada is good. Just put regulations in place. Mempe me ho asem kweku afiye. Regulation is the key. When there is regulation, there will be follow traffic, law, and put helmet, etc.
So there are no regulations.
Mr. Emmanuel Yeboah, please, for the traffic issues, it's not the fault of the guys who ride Okada. One Okada guy told me when he stopped in the traffic, a police officer will arrest him for stopping in a traffic light. I have say no.
Set traffic as already with your police.
What's your man? Not traffic woman. Yeah, there's too much traffic in the country. Now, by now, who say traffic no door so do. And go to mean do a government affect productivity near there. It's on very train.
A+ me pacho jina ha obi se mi bisa o say Papa Benz o se mi bisa o say Mr. A+ me pacho ube drive motorbike ni bia na
tama kufu ado ka say obe free SHS na kufu ado obe kobi na kufu ado ko track ka free masa me yan ka Papa Benz na cha say wo so e wo de say obe ka wo dimirika ku president kufu ka say mango na president kufu
dabi we o se mi bisa o
president kufu ka say obe free matena ka na president kufu ko nyama ko ti asem na me ka no na me de Papa mini pan on Facebook and we bizarre questions. Ayiti. It's your man, not president to say, and not a abino who say traffic will man mudodo into a so bad train quine. Sanka train, if in some ever seen quite cry, and a debia and a bus to send a land could be better to Cadaso, or be a person or for full Cada. Abino koye train, in so toy upon a grain, that year no train that there no. You for talk.
You can be as over kasa.
You there is a country where they do train rail line. Where in so top akope, in so pure water, in so a toy na a pure train no kwan ni nyina afiro. Train ko fa so train akwati ahwe tesa no ha embodie bi mu tesa no ha. Nipa be dey akwa adwuma. Nipa ko fu Okada so. It is the was aban ni yitra. Hwe? Osman. Say wo pese bibi wo na wo pese ade no ejaya. enya by force say enka na ayi ade your friend say space to space ni wiase na space to space na Ghana obi aye dwuma obi aye obi anya mobile for obi space to space na enya com center na wo ho
eno na esiwa wo kwa na Okada ko
internet cafe na nkrofo ye se obi internet cafe
dabi kakre bi no mo ye
enti na wo sa ban na nkasa yi traffic ni free cross nka ye train ni ye and ye kwan ni dem to say na ye see this year of roads ye kwan a there will be plenty alternative routes okay so obi traffic be driver ko obi control Okada so open them oh baby it's no so wo be catch them say it is the responsibility of which yetimi train kwan nso akofo train kwan no ye kwan akwara dwun so na papa ko na gofo
asemo okay opeso
say number 1
oyere kura ni wa de anu boni na wu
number 1 health issues
na oyere be ba
no yeti we are see the whole world yare ba ya yesi wan horo won sa oben yare enye obi ahoro
ne
say wo kwose Okada no obi se helmet na de obi so yotumi nyem bra say o so obi anya sanitizer obi nya yi to mo spray man say obi ahye ana say wa wo be hye no ubetumi anya yare enti no make sure say you spray man enu ni o number 2 wo say your friend is saying enya accident ebi ase bibi o ho enya accident
bibi anya accident
nya botre ebi nya the number of nipa VIP bus you turn bus do ma bo ho kuma se kwaso wewu adeti era so cry turn bus ba kuruma
adenti dey that so cry turn bus
madam wato o time you turn bus ni wi ase bus e bo mu ma nipa obi awu ka nipa tre
you turn bus ye cry you turn bus 300
unim nipa
mienu na bebom okra Okada 300 emu be 170
Mr. Brown Obi Atro has said, Mr. Brown, you are making sense. A+, take your time. Let him explain himself.
Exactly.
And I mean,
exactly.
You
turn
bus 300 ba. Mienu na be kwa.
And into the wall
Okada 300 ba. Mu be 170. And we have kwa to mu na.
Mr. Brown, see who need platform so. Ma who so. Me you efi so. Ma plus so enkasa because no say omo legalize Okada. Okada no omo legalize no. Adi no gina so pese oman no omo legalize Okada no e de man kofo. Oman only educate here because here dey nim say
traffic wo kro.
Here dey nim ono say na nya wo na wo ka. Nti no ono anka na asem.
Adi ti am say legalize Okada dey say ono anka say you smoke Okada no.
Okay.
Ono oye 20 wa has here.
There be me
Osmo Okada.
Otumi small obi office o. Ono jan we otumi small obi office o ne nipa no kwa no bi say why you no pick Okada? You know say you go delay wait. Nipa come
no kre. Me okra no cars asem. No kre. Me okra no. Me kwata ma o say nka me go fa moto. O say nka me go fa Okada. Sisi awon person mo bele guys. Ene me wa no nka bi. Any Okada kre.
Mr. Brown tell us you money for Okada no come say here.
A+ is making sense here, my friend. Keep it up.
Maybe as you can can Ukraine can one.
And the fact is that baby I'm about you one day no different. The fact say Marcus will be for no interest say what you say. Ade no ehun nsem a wo e dey gyina so e dey take
legalize we as we say we me legalize wo sori so a wo na wo suma say yento we ma boys na hye
yento we ma boys
na cha asem na wo ka no yansa ba
yento we ma boys na hye
unim so Okada yes so dey wo suma wo say Okada
A+ me to Mr. Brown obi say me Mr. A+ or say I agree with Mr. Brown by accepting Okada to work in the country. Mr. A+, can you please clarify and put proper measures as a precedent why Okada should work in this country? So now the person has given you the presidential seat. You are the president. Tell us why Okada.
Why you are a president? Why you will legalize Okada?
As a president.
Because easy access to transportation. Among Crawford to me call very quick. Especially in a country, you need good bus system, good railway system, and one and comfortable contain Okada there. I will see legalize it. So obi person dey
a temporary idea. If those options are there,
me president train kwan ya obi enso to ana ahohoro train be ye adwuma nti obi abran kofo Okada no okada na wo na kasa obi anfo e wo say
ayalo pass na ade no enye na say betafra che ye ho na kire ye enti na ye opese ye mankrofo de ye ntuma
na wo kasa like na kufuado cheche no unu say like na kufuado cheche na ye
de he
like no cheche unu say na si obetum di ateneka
obetum di ateneka on do so ogina yare so na ode che
na me so me de me gina ntem enkrofo pentem so da bio me de na asem gina so very simple wo say me guys okada wo small bi no afọ okada na obu afu
hey me
Osman, why you no take okada? You know say we dey wait for you. And na make just say any pentem traffic for Ghana dodo.
Obi say, Mr. Brown, I'm coming to your house to pick you with Okada, whether you like it or not.
Oh, you cannot pick me with Okada. Can't you say want me family with Okada because Okada na dey e krom ha ya wo no ye bepa adwuma papa. Ama mabura ya ye mpem mo nye.
Osman,
ne nyai sa no ma na ye kana. You be legalize Okada. One graduate, one Okada. Any nipa no motorbike no okosua won verse wo so obeka.
Tie, Osman.
Ada na dey bia na e person pull up ad hoc measures be and they solve problems.
Say obi legalize Okada. Me, I'm not even looking at the political capital obi be make it from a promise no.
I'm also not looking at that
because meba nyabotre say yan kan one.
Okawa and Makawa.
Dabi twen na me okay simple and short wo dey mami 2 minutes.
Okay.
No so aka say 2 minutes. Ye nyina nti ase. So what you say? John Mahama kasa obe legalize Okada. Na so opese o dey sa de no win vote. Meka chi obi ase mo bi emu ano. It is not even about John Mahama. Mo bi John Mahama take Kruma no a vice president 4 years. O di president another 4 years. Ube ko police station bi ani achi Okada da egu. It was time or year president. Nyabotre de we ati.
Nyabotre 2 minutes in so ye. Nyabotre. Obi Trowa say the man in red shirt kindly keep quiet for A+ to talk.
Oh, you pan boni din kran obi ehun say oh guy. You say no you just also mama another 2 count.
They me be mu no na 2
ana. Obi your friend achi ugomoa or say Kwame, you are making sense. Car kill, motor kills, or die be die.
Tie, Osman. John Mahama to me be can't say yanto abaman because obi legalize Okada. Oti o memu ha NDC were power for 8 years.
But waka?
Oh, you do. Oh, were power for 8 years. When legalize Okada. We be call police station bi ani achi Okada e wo ho. John Mahama wa nya ho hwe. E yo mo time no mo call parliament ko yes emra again omo ko emra against Okada. And now call power opposition now we get power. We be use the same Okada. Miss Hadia na mempe. And I'm not even looking at it as whether it will win John Mahama votes or not. And me, I'm telling the young people of this country that this year election here promise us. I dare be abaka so by your yen say ya. I dare me pay Ghana higher back. We $1 million which my yen 200 communities. Our brain so who be 200 communities. And that's how we pay voting. Make me a list of 200 communities. Some brands or one so. We bet me $1 million per. We bet 200 communities. Make a drum in so amount to amount. It has nothing to do with Okada and John Mahama. What it has
is one day.
What I 30 seconds.
You did 10 seconds. It's 40. What it has to do and they say Obi Ekimoto na ordena down for trend chia eye normal. Onu ko Ekimoto na eye normal. Onya kodu baby okono okofa Obi not ordinary trend no do ho na ogisika pe eno na betumi amani pa ewu adentia because say ye na adwuma nkofo bebre beba be hye sa adwuma no mu na Okada adoso wo Ghana na say adoso wo Ghana eno na di accident beba na time anaka ye mfanye commercial na ka nya accident time aka nya accident ni time ye dey say afi betumi de car ye commercial enti nkofo bebre kototo cars de be ye commercial eno na ma car accident doso. And so Okada no, you start to see a business, and also increase the number of Okada. And so long as Okada no number increasing, accident will increase if there are no regulations. The BNB we are saying, Papa, we and they legalize we. So be able to me. Yes, so be able to me.
I'm making the last point.
And then so be able to me. Who got the lines? So be me be we. We. Who can do this? We are able to me be we. But you are trusting the IM Rafa who say, "So be we. This is how you have to go." Now say yati as say yen dua wi a ade na yentumi ntia say be yemra so Okada wutwem red light say na be ukwa tamale a Okada so red light so obi anyina go to Tamale, go to Boliga.
Plus,
Everybody stop.
oh, 2 minutes,
I didn't
no,
see na
aso.
crowd, your munjina.
Plus, 2 minutes na so. The 2 minutes na so. Or no, the point na o make ni na no. I to assume. Or say, omo nyembra. Na embinde motorbikes, omo mu use motorbikes ni na.
And you got a pet motorbike ni
na eno na maka no. Motorbikes ni na.
Omo buda kese no.
Ye wo man yi mu, yet your man yi mu and a presidential convoy motorbike. Oduo na even on fa president on di obi anko. Onu kwa na no. Odua o share red light engine because what motorbike ni. No we twem.
Omo mu chiru kada phone say dey carry red light.
Odua no we twem. Ono no anya car no kita o. No we twem.
Onimnyansa.
Dabi no say
Wow, we are moderator and work as 2 minutes. Me start say me kasa mo biam.
Me kasa okay.
Etiefo mu hwe ne ekosu nyina no. Yen nyina ye wo man yi mu ena ne ekosu na ye hu. Mu betimi de mo adwen so asenne na yetimi akenkan mo bia so a che na adwen. Oman ne ye na ye man. Mr. Kwame
Mr. Kwame.
Mr. Kwame we na sem nti Mr. Brown. Mama o 2 minutes wo akonja yi so. Mama o 2 minutes.
Me say ono okasa more than 3 minutes 3.5.
Me na me share time. Me ma share time.
Na watch won ho na wo. What you Tony promo bi aton dey the o say what our matter o nkwa na wo watch na. Okada ya semi ya yeke. Die nti a mempese ye the best start kura ne se. Omo ye de akoya amanyosem. Ya mi chi oti ase. Ye yina so ye nim se ade no e ha adwene. Adentina deliveries wo krom ha da. Enkrofo ansori entia motosem wo krom. Companies, delivery companies, omo ba DHL no money ade omo ba ha nyene. Nobody spoke about the risk involved in motor and whatnot. If you want to ask me why, because delivery motor biara no nipa ba ko na ye den eteso. The kind of ye den parcels. And he makes decisions for himself alone. And for that matter, the risk element remains with him as a person. But Okada no say wo fa wo bi bat na wachi. Na say wo na wo yes decisions no. Now do red light wo nyina. O ni nam ka antem wo yes what it does is that it quadruples the risk element in the whole thing. My politician bia medada mebru bia so Okada ya adwuma. Mumye bi factories. Munye nyuma na youth no nya bi nye. E dey be legalization of Okada. And also free. They bia obewura police station say ni apaki omugu from bebrebe 99% of the obehu egu ho say ni rim nchiaya na we ya say e chese ahwease.
Nyabutrena on making a union.
What 12 seconds. What 12 seconds.
Mr. Brown.
The amiche what you say. Afen so no. If you look at the people who are riding Okada, they are people like Sebita Frache, omu youthful ages. Eyese omutimi sua adwuma papa bi. What you say? Eyese omutimi sua adwuma papa bi. Eyese yetimi integrate omo. Me say, eyese yetimi integrate omo into proper employment.
Don't you motor for the president and employment.
Omo ye police for. Omo adwuma nye motor twie nko a.
Omo sua se no mbeko.
Ana me say omo sua se no mbeko police. Motor ni adiko police.
Ni nyina ka.
Nka ho. Uko police ni wie na person okosa division na no akwa sua. Sa na ye no. Ehye se esu ni motor twie ti be se bra police. Nya sa na ye ka no. What you say? Helmet no. Ubehu omo na chaluote no omo shedi twi sa motor yi. Ehun sem bebrebe. Afenso no eya akoyese ehonso Ghana 4% omo de amanyosem ko. Na we nya bibia mo ase a wo sa akọbọ no kro no wo timbu ni ehihye mra se wo si ye ntwa sa de ewe mu wo go opposition pe no aba me ba me legalize ni mina ama ba
say only one na ekasa only one
me ne Ghana 4 na ekasa
da bi hwan na o si oba oba
me say me ne Ghana 4 na ekasa wo nya moderator wo ntimi bisa question make your submissions and let me make my submissions ya me join what you say enti ma obia medada obia so Okada no a profession say we tafra me ba me legalize no we sorry ana saa na ye wa ha ye wo kuro yi mu saa na omo ba ye be stop galamsey ye be yese ewi
Galamsey almost stop
ewi excavators in the tutu ye Okada no
Mr. Brown, me pacho ma men can will support we ma. Kwesi Brew, I say yes, I agree with this man. We shouldn't accept the legalization of Okada. They should provide more technical training and skills to the youth and build more companies to employ the youth. Exactly. Okada will not support the country.
Exactly.
Many ahano many ni pane nya adwen.
Moderator no moderator dey je wo na ojaji o. Ubie kwan se obi anka na dwene. Ya mi je oti ase. Enti yempe adwuma mamaburu no omonye. Ni enyai sa I will legalize one. The documentation of Okada being illegal no. Sebita fracture okuro ya na otia ban so. Ohwema omo ye. Ya mi je oti ase. Enti no ene uko
Mr. Brown me pacho asisi ana yeti hai. Ye nka se NPPC NDCC. Ne ye pese ye kan ne se Okada omo legalize ana sama mo legalize
na meti ha me ka sama bo MPP ni
o say maso ye pa
meti ha me ka sama bo MPP ni
o say onu kru ya teso kwan na net so
onu kru ya
onu ne hwan
nipa boni bidin ni ba fo me de me ko bi asem na me ka waso nya adwen waso na ye de na tie ni ade we
TVP communication that person be loan my people
ade we
me am person be no loan
ade
me am person be no my people loan
ade we
na no ye de pa na no ye de
ma no na de asempetia asempa ne no kre tie obi ani wa ye wo no ye de kasa share na num so odi oba wi ase abe kasa nko but o ka no kre no se ne tie no a wasem be ye tie abeto asum so eto asum ana ya na ye kasa obi nim kasa na rebi what did I mention na say ade na emwa maburu no we should not look at it as an alternative because we nim Osman krowe mu ade ba ko aye pa ne say ye substitute to what is good we never do the good.
Mr. Brown, 2 minutes on Asun. Wakasa bebe Asun.
Now one man of 3.5 minutes.
Asun, make one key point.
Me say we should not look at a substitute for what is good. Because you crow where your team no ye who be. So many chi substitute no tumpe good no mabio. It becomes the substitute becomes the norm. The American what I say. The substitute becomes the norm.
Mr. Brown, Obi say Mimbisa will say.
Mesuma delivery guy.
Obi say Hajia Ahmad or say they should legalize it as soon as possible. I can buy 2 and make some. Then make catch say make one key point. Inti no nyabotre. Inti aha say no Anku Sani Mohammed Brown or what his name is.